Okay, today we're going to go ahead and install the ridge cap on the roof. Tomorrow I'll probably start welding in enclosing the corral itself, and then lastly put on the gate. So that'll probably be done within the next week or 2 weeks. I have to weld pipe together to make my full lengths that I need, because I just have a bunch of used pipe laying around. So come along, see how it goes, see if I fall off the roof. Hopefully I won't. So here it's pretty much self-explanatory. The ridge vent, you can pick them up at Lowe's. They're not too terribly expensive. They come in 10-foot sections, so I had to buy a 10-footer. I had some extra pieces left over and from the last time, and you pretty much just overlap it. Just get it on there straight between the two sections, and then I put self-tapping screws with the rubber washers on them, probably every 3 ribs. The trick is just you have to eventually climb up and stay on your hands and knees and stay right above where your beams are, because your metal roofing panels aren't really strong enough to hold you in between. They will dent. You might not fall through, but they will dent. So here's the second section. Again, pretty much self-explanatory, but this is what I mean by you have to climb up there, and you want to stay centered over the 2 beams that are underneath you. Just overlap the next section. It's just kind of like shingles, and continue screwing in. I made a point to put screws in all 4 corners of the very ends, because of the monsoon winds can be very high and end up pulling them off. If screws come loose, you can always get up there and go ahead and take some steel shank pop rivets and put them in the hole in place of the screws. They will also work. So luckily this was done fairly easily. It didn't take too long to do, and luckily I didn't fall off the roof. That's a wrap. Thanks for watching.